Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best under-desk bikes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Stamina 55-1602 Inmotion Elliptical. Looking for an under-desk exerciser that'll keep the noise to a minimum? Stamina's 55-1602 Inmotion Elliptical is designed to deliver a quiet and comfortable ride. Even if you turn the built-in resistance to the highest setting, it should still stay smooth and silent. The textured pedals help keep your feet firmly in place, no matter how quickly you're pedaling. And since the elliptical boasts a unique design, one that lets you use it while sitting or standing, you can switch up your workout position anytime you need a change of pace. This mini strider is compact and lightweight, making it easy to use and transport to any home or office space. It's quiet and unintrusive, too. Vary the intensity of your workout by turning the adjustable dial while you stride. See your stats while exercising with the display monitor. Depending on your needs and abilities, the Inmotion E1000 compact strider can be used sitting or standing. Pedal forward or reverse to target different muscles. Customize your exercise machine by choosing one of 3 vibrant color options. The Inmotion E1000 compact strider comes in green, orange and silver. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Under-Desk Elliptical Machine Foot Pedal Exerciser. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Under-Desk Elliptical ships assembled, meaning you can use it the moment you take it out of the box. With 8 resistance levels, you can choose to scale the intensity of your workouts to meet your current need. Plus, it features an LCD monitor that will help you keep track of classic metrics like time and speed while you pedal. Though the machine is a little bulky, it's designed with a handle that should make it easy to carry around. It also promises a relatively smooth, quiet ride, so you can rest assured knowing it should be office-friendly. Track time, speed, calories, and distance using the centrally located digital monitor. Or chose the scan function to scroll through all variable while your workout. This elliptical pair a belt drive mechanism with magnetic resistance to give you a low-maintenance and smooth quiet exercise experience. Choose between 8 levels of magnetic resistance using the tension knob to provide increased levels of intensity to your workout as you build muscular endurance. This low-profile elliptical will fit under most desks and around your favorite chairs, giving you the freedom to exercise while you sit in many different environments. Number 3. Our third best pick is Cubii Pro Seated Under-Desk Elliptical Machine Pedal Bicycle. Cubie's Pro Seated Under-Desk Elliptical features a whisper quiet motor, making it an easy addition to both home and public offices. With a smooth stride, it will feel comfortable even when you kick up the resistance to its highest setting. What makes the under-desk elliptical truly splurge-worthy is its compatibility with the Cubii app, which includes a variety of workout ideas. You can also sync the app with Fitbit or Apple Health to keep all your fitness data in one place. Designed with ultra-smooth gearing and a compact design, Cubii home ellipticals are ideal for exercising at home or the office without stressing your joints. The Cubii mobile app syncs with iPhone and Android cell phones, Fitbit smartbands, and Apple Health Kit to track your distance pedaled, calories burnt, and more. Work out while you work or rehab while you rest. The Cubii under-desk elliptical is perfect for use at your desk, the couch, or even at your dining room table. Move a little more and burn up to 125 calories per hour while you pedal and sit with a good book, watch your favorite show, or work at your desk. This under-desk pedal exerciser is near silent during use so that you won't disturb your colleagues at work or struggle to hear the TV while you watch. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is LifePro Under-Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. LifePro's Flex Cycle exercise bike connects to a free app you can use to log workouts and track fitness history. However, if this sounds too complicated, you can use the bike to exclusively track individual workouts in real time. The under-desk bicycle features a soundless motor for a quiet ride and 8 resistance levels that allow you to make your fitness routine more challenging. It also includes pedals for both your hands and feet and ships with 2 removable resistance bands you can use to level up your workouts. Clear your mind, build stamina and tighten muscles with at least 75 minutes of foot pedal exerciser weekly. Flex Cycle stationary bikes are easy on joints, yet incredibly effective. Recumbent bike quiet motor and compact dimensions. This exercise pedaler slips beneath your desk or in front of your couch, making it the best pedal exerciser for movies or work. Track progress free through Apple and Google Play Store. Just log in and track your progress and stats. The under-desk bike pedal exerciser has many functions for therapy and mobility, too. Stabilizers keep your mini stepper from moving, while optional straps tether the stationary pedal exerciser to your chair. Portable handle for easy travel included. Included in the box are optional resistance bands that hook up to the leg exerciser while sitting, so you can up your desk cycle workout whenever you like. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is jfit Under Desk and Stand-Up Mini Elliptical Stepper. With a built-in chair holder, jfit's Under Desk Mini Elliptical eliminates the chance of the elliptical moving and sliding under the desk, a common problem among workers who move around when they're hard at work. The machine is also fairly small, which makes it a great portable option. Featuring a magnetic tension dial, you can scale up the intensity of your workouts in seconds. It also includes 2 position pedals that allow you to use the machine while sitting down or standing up. jfit Mini Elliptical features a unique, smart design with adjustable angle pedals that allows for both under-desk and standing-up exercising, providing you with the perfect fit for your needs. With a compact design, this mini elliptical fits easily under any desk, with a top handle to allow you to move it anywhere and a front handle for additional support. It can also hold onto a chair with wheels. Featuring a durable and easy-to-turn magnetic tension bar for adjustable resistance, set your pace and challenge your mind with reaching those goals to keep you moving at home or office. Larger wheels provide a smoother, quieter ride, with less wear and tear and improved durability, making this mini elliptical a perfect addition to any low-impact fitness solution you have been looking for. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.